Good morning, everyone. It's Mayor Colin Grantham. This morning, along with Jesse and Heather Lalonde, our Economic Development Manager, we're going to ride the bus. You know, you've heard a lot about the intercommunity transit, what a great service it is. Well, today, I'm going to ride the bus. We need to highlight what a great service it is, but hey, as Mayor, I should ride the bus too. So you'll get updates throughout the day. Take care. We'll talk to you later. So it is 10:36. I'm standing here in City Plaza Mall in London. Pleasant ride. Picked up people in Strathroy and in Camoka. You know, the person we picked up in Camoka takes it twice a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays. Finds it a great service. Would very much like it to continue, and we'll keep on trying to do that. But pleasant ride. Just keep encouraging people. Ride the bus. Game changer. That's the word I heard on the way home from London. Game changer. Someone who takes the bus from Sarnia to London and back each way. Game changer. Saves money on gas. What a great trip, folks. I should tell you, on the way home, we had 2 people going to Strathroy, 2 going to Sarnia. Great service. Very impressive. You know what else impresses me? The bus was on time. This day and age, to have a bus or any service run on time, I encourage you to take the bus. Keep it going. Let's keep this service.